Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine, Dump Truck Edition! There will be a mini waiting at the end of the track, and the mini on the losing side falls into a dump truck.
Ooh, this is fun. Now I'm in charge. I think it's time to dump some minis.
And the losing mini will get dumped into a walk, Quarry.
Did they say we're gonna drop into a dump truck and then get dumped off into rocks?
I hope not. My engine doesn't need any more scratches.
I'm getting a little worried here. I mean, rocks sound painful.
Yeah, I'm used to hauling rocks, not falling into rocks.
First up, Timothy versus Ferdinand.
I was right. That was painful. What's that sound? What's going on here? Whoa, I thought that was it. What is happening? Oh, no. Don't tilt. Don't tilt. No. Ow. Oh, that was even worse.
And now, Edward takes on Emily in his first competition ever on the 2-2 channel.
Ouch! Oh, what was that, rock? Ouch! What? Hey! Oh, ow! Oh, off a cliff? Oh, that was bad. Ouch!
Next up, Samson versus PERCY.
See you later, I am out of here. Haha, you can't dump me out of the truck. Oh no, you've got to be kidding me.
To finish up round 1, Stephen versus Stafford.
I do not like rocks. Ouch! That hurt. Whoa, hold on there. Let me try and hold on. No. Oh, right into mud. I wonder if this makes a good facial.
Congratulations to our semi-finalists. Semi-finalists, Edward versus Ferdinand.
Look out below! Oh, come on, who's driving this thing? Ow! Wow, that was some drop.
Stafford versus PERCY.
Hey there, driver. Say, can you drop me off in a swimming pool, please? Whee! Oh no, falling rocks. Watch the paint job,
Championship, Edward versus Stafford.
Well, that wasn't too bad. I don't know what all the other engines are whining about. What? From up here? Are you crazy? That hurts. I want my mommy.
Good job, Edward. You won on your first competition ever.
Oh no, not again.
Sorry, Edward, it can get pretty silly around here. Make sure to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.